Hello. What I have built here is complete student analytic project. So, I'll take you through how I cleaned the data, engineered new features, queried it with SQL, and finally build this Power BI dashboard. So, let's get into it. This is raw data which has 1,000 students, 8 columns. Look clearly at first page, but when I inspected it, I found three problems. So, prepaid has fixed caching and attendance was stored as a text, so I couldn't calculate average, and there were potential duplicate rows. So I opened Python to fix all this. So this is the cleaning data set. Uh, Sorry, this is a Python I have done. So firstly, I have read the data. Next, I have called the header rows here. So coming to data cleaning, I have started with duplicate rows. Just make sure no student get counted twice, which would mess up our averages. So then I have fixed fee columns here. So after that, attendance was a string, right? So I have converted it into a float, and if anything can't convert, it become null instead of crashing the code. So finally, I have used drop now to remove any leftover nulls. Dataset is now fully cleaned here up to here. So next, I have started feature engineering. Now the original data didn't have enough for the analysis, so I have created four columns here. So firstly, total marks and average marks. So straightforward mathematics, average marks, and become my key KPIs across the whole data set. And coming to performance, I wrote a function that labels a student as a good, average, or poor uh, based on their average and attendance category good or based on whether they cross the 75 marks above. So yeah, and now the original data didn't have enough for the analysis, so I have created four more columns here. The total, uh, the total marks and average marks and performance, and exported everything as a cleaned data set. So yeah, after exporting, after exported, the 8 columns data set have four more columns, which has total 12 columns, as you can see. Before exporting, it was just up to here, and after that, we have four more columns here. Yeah. Mm. So I have also validated everything using SQL queries here. So seven queries covering total count, fee split, and attendance average, performance breakdown, and top students. So every result matches Python perfectly. So I was confident that data going into Power BI was accurate. So now coming to dashboard. So I have created four KPI cards where they have total students and average good attendance, fee paid, and an average score. So yeah, coming to charts, I have done this performance distribution. This is the most important chart. Only 260 students have just 26% are in good band. So 680 are average and 54 are poor. So nearly 75% of students are underperformed here. So coming to prepaid and performance, this shows 7,749 students have paid fee and 51 haven't. So 25 of fee are still outstanding. That's a real financial concern for the institution. And coming to subject average score, maths average is 98.3, science is 67.1, and English is um, English is 67.2. All three subjects are below 70, so it's not a weak subject dragging into down. It's a school-wide performance issue. And coming to attendance category, so 511 students have good attendance, 498 have low. So that's almost a 50-50 split. Half the school is missing more than 25% of classes. So that's a serious report, which shows the serious report. Next, I have a score by class which have average score of every student and some of the classes of this. Next, I have make made a table which has a top 10 students with the sum of average marks. So these are the top 10 students from 1,000 students, and these are the sum of their average scores. So yeah. So to wrap up, I clean the data in Python, validate with SQL, and build these dashboards. So the key takeaway is the only 4 in 1 students is performing well. Attendance is borderline, and 25% of fees are uncollected. So these are the real actionable insights. Thank you.